In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a list in Brevo. Whether you're new to Brevo or looking to organize your contacts more effectively, this simple process will help you manage your CRM efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to brevo.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details. Navigating to the Brevo website is your gateway to accessing all the tools you need for your CRM needs. Now that you're on the Brevo dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. Go ahead and click on CRM. This section is where you'll manage your contacts, and it's the starting point for creating your list. Once you've clicked on CRM, you'll see a new set of options. Look for the one labeled Lists and click on it. Lists are a crucial part of managing your contacts, allowing you to organize them into different categories based on your needs. This can be especially handy for targeted communication. Now that you're in the List section, you'll want to create a new list. To do this, find the button that says Create a List and click on it. This will bring up a new screen where you'll start the process of defining your list. Next, you'll need to enter the name of your list. Think about what this list will be used for and choose a name that reflects its purpose. This could be something like newsletter subscribers or event attendees. A clear and descriptive name will help you identify the list easily in the future. After you've named your list, you'll notice an option to select a folder. This step is important if you have multiple lists and want to keep them organized. If you already have folders set up, choose the one where this new list belongs. If not, you might consider organizing your lists into folders later based on themes or campaigns. Finally, with your list name entered and a folder selected, it's time to bring your list to life. Click the Create List button to finalize the process. Congratulations, you've just created a new list in Brevo. Making a list is just the beginning. With your list now created, you can start adding contacts to it and utilize various Brevo features to engage with your audience more effectively. Remember, keeping your contacts organized not only saves time, but also helps in executing more targeted and successful campaigns. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a list in Brevo. By following these steps, you're well on your way to more efficient contact management. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on mastering Brevo and other tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.